Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video and tutorial and explain to you today is a very important day within the YouTube community in terms of YouTube Shorts and monetization. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you will need to have access to a Mac computer or a mobile phone as well as a YouTube account, and then we can take it to the next level. So we can now start the video and tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to YouTube Studio. We can use the shortcut on the top right corner within the bookmarks menu. Make sure that you are signed into the account. And so let's now go to the side navigation menu where we have Earn, which has replaced the monetization tab. And so let's say 1 or 2 months ago you were probably asked to accept the new terms and conditions for YouTube Shorts. If you did, that allows you now to monetize all the content within your Shorts collection that you have uploaded to your channel. Even if you do not monetize or opt to not monetize, they will still consider that for monetization. Let's just go to the Shorts feed ads, and it says Shorts feeds ads revenue sharing starts in February 2023, which is today. Starting February 1st, 2023, all your Shorts views will automatically be considered for Shorts ads revenue sharing. You will also earn revenue when a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content. So let's go to content. Let's now filter for, let's say, monetization. Apply. And as you can see, videos that are shorts are not monetized but are still considered for the monetization partnership program on YouTube. If I were to, let's just say, search for the hashtag shorts, enter, and you can now see that all the videos that I've done on YouTube that are shorts are being monetized even if I do not monetize the videos. So every time you upload a video that's a shorts to YouTube, it will be part of the YouTube partnership program and you will be earning revenue from these videos. So how can you consider yourself a YouTube partner? What do you require to do? I've done a ton of videos on this in the past. Every now and again, YouTube will change their system. Before it was you needed 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours across the last 365 days, but now it's different. And so this is where everything has now changed on the platform. There was a time where you would require 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch time hours across the last year. So that's 365 days. But now you can also be considered 1,000 subscribers in the last 90 days as well as 10 million video views in YouTube Shorts all across the last 90 days. So it's the best of both worlds. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.